In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Google Chrome as your default browser on a Windows computer. Whether you've just installed a new version of Chrome or you simply want to streamline your browsing experience, making Chrome your go-to browser is a remarkably straightforward process. By the end of this video, you'll be browsing with efficiency and ease. Let's begin by navigating to your Windows settings. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen, and then selecting the gear icon, which represents your settings. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut by pressing the Windows key along with the letter I on your keyboard. This will instantly open up the Windows Settings menu where you can adjust system configurations. Once you're in the Settings window, direct your attention to the option labeled Apps. It's important to note that this section is where all your installed applications are managed, including their settings and preferences. Clicking on Apps will display a new menu on the left side, and from there, you'll want to choose Default Apps. This section is where you can specify the default applications for various tasks such as web browsing, playing music, or opening emails. Next, in the Default Apps section, scroll down until you find the Web Browser heading. Directly under this heading, you'll notice your current default browser listed, which could be any browser that your system chooses by default, unless it's already set to Google Chrome. At this point, you should see an option to select a different browser. Click on the current default browser icon, and a list of available browser options will appear. Now simply click on Google Chrome from this list. This action tells Windows to set Google Chrome as the default web browser, meaning that any links you open from your email, documents, or other applications will launch in Chrome automatically. Once you've selected Google Chrome, you can exit out of the settings window as your change has been saved. You have now successfully designated Google Chrome as your default browser. From this point onward, anytime you choose to open a web link, Chrome will be your reliable gateway to the internet. This adjustment can greatly improve your browsing experience, especially if you're accustomed to the features and speed that Chrome offers. It's also handy for syncing across devices if you use Chrome extensively on smartphones or tablets. And that's it. You've completed the task, and it was as simple as a few clicks. Thank you for watching today's guide. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and guides. Happy browsing!